Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the ClinicalTrials.gov scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to turn clinical trial searches into clean, structured datasets ready for analysis. This actor connects directly to the official ClinicalTrials.gov Studies API. That means you get complete, up-to-date trial data without scraping HTML pages or dealing with browser automation. It's built for healthcare investors, clinical operations teams, medical affairs, and anyone who needs reliable trial data at scale. So, how does it work? There are two ways you can use this scraper. You can either paste the clinicaltrials.gov search URL, or you can use the built-in filters directly in the input form. These filters are the same ones you'll find in the clinicaltrials.gov page. Once you've selected all your filters, simply click Search and then copy the URL. Paste it into the actor. Now you can either start or schedule your actor to run in the intervals you select, like hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. For this example, we'll run it once. Now, we'll let the actor cook up its magic. After the run finishes, the results appear in this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row represents one clinical trial, fully flattened and ready for analysis. You'll see trial identifiers, study status, sponsor information, eligibility criteria, outcome measures, among other stuff. You can also download this data as a CSV, JSON, or Excel file. This scraper is ideal for competitive landscaping, site feasibility, results monitoring, and compliance tracking. It replaces manual clinicaltrials.gov browsing with a repeatable API-based data pipeline. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.